What's going on YouTube? So this video is going to help out a lot of you because guess what? I'm going to show you how to make some money online with no money, zero cost, nada. You need no money for you to do this, and I'm going to show you how to set up everything. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. And if you like videos like this, hey, guess what? We're going to dive right into it. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave me a comment down below. If this is your first time here, and if you want to make some money, type down make money online in the comment section, so that way I can, all right, let's do it. Yes, free money, that's how you can make it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now if I should start over from scratch, I would use the same method that I'm about to share with you, because this is where I started when I didn't have a lot of money and I was just starting out. I took all the money that I had and I invested into my education to learn more. That's right, I put money into, you know, online course and make sure that I learn the skills necessary to get me to where I want to go. But I know most of you don't have money right now, and I totally get it. So that's why I want to share this with you, so that way you can go out there and you can crush it and make some money online. Now, a lot of people look over this and they say, oh, Facebook this, Facebook that, or they said, okay, what's the best traffic source? Now, it doesn't matter what platform that you're in, but I'm going to show you how to make money online for free with no money here on Facebook. So we all know that the most popular groups and where a lot of people are allocated right now is on Facebook. So for example, if you type in make money online, these groups are still hot. People are still getting confused of saying, okay, what should I post in there? Now the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that the group is active. Look and see, all right, are there people commenting? Are there people, engaging? Like, yeah, so far, see, this person posted right here, who needs 1,000 leads per month at no cost? Type link or comment link. So there's a lot of people are commenting link. Now you go through here, you want to sift through and see if there is still action going on. So yes, this group is still live. There's still a lot of people looking for something. They're out there, especially during this time. There's so many people looking for, another way out. So let me search for other groups. So if I type in, let's say, earn money online, and I type in groups, you'll see a bunch of groups that's going to pop up. I'm the actual owner for this group, by the way. I got over 100,000 members. And if you scroll through here, you'll see there's a lot of groups. So you could join them. You click on the join. And of course, most of these groups have rules and regulations, just like my group. You got to make sure you read the rules and read, read the rules and everything. You know what I'm talking about. So make sure you do that. So after you've done all that, right? What we need to do is find a product that we need to promote. Now, before we even find the product, because I already know what I'm going to be promoting, I already did all that research already, so you could do the same thing too. And there's not a problem if you do all the research, find what product that you're going to do before you even go into the Facebook groups and everything. No problem with that. So right now, as you know, there's a lot of kids and families out of school. So what I'll do, I'll just find some parent groups, type in moms, right? Moms group, stay-at-home moms. I'm in a part of this. You could tell, like, work at home, stay at home. So I'll click on here, see if there's any action going on in this group. So there is action. There's a live going on right now. That's good. There's another live. All right, people are posting. This lady's asking for info. All right, so I'm gonna do this live so you could see it. Now, we wanna head over to Canva, because Canva is a great tool that you can use. Most people don't really utilize it, but it is free. There's so many free resources out there that you can use. And we're gonna do a Facebook post, so let me click on Facebook post. I'm gonna pull this up. Once I pull it up, then I'm going to make a very clean and nice post, right? But again, we need to find the product that we're looking for. So where is all the products? Now there's a lot of different websites out there, but for this particular one, I found it on Clickbank. So if you don't have a Clickbank account, make sure you sign up for one. Sign up for it right away. It is absolutely free. And what I did, I come down here in parenting and families. Now there's products on here that is the gravity scores are high. This one is new reading. You know, I always want to look at it. So you can click on it, see what it looks like. You can look at the video. You know, age 2 to 14, that would be a good product to promote. And always, as always, anything that you're going to promote, make sure you do your research and search it for yourself, right? Children learning to read is another great reading one, right? So this is very colorful and parents like these stuff. Like they could come down here and they could read, right? So if you look at this particular product, you know, it's $39 and $39.45, and the average sale is initial sale you get is $33.90. So that is good, right? That's huge right there. Now, once you do this, what we're gonna do is number one, we can look at, look at their page. And especially if you're a beginner, you don't need to create any funnels for all this, not a problem. It's just to get started without spending no money, right? I'm trying to get it as less cost effective as possible for you so you can go out there and crush it. So a copy for free, they get like something for free. They could sign up here if they want, put in their email address and everything. Teach my child how to read. Boom, let me see what price. There it is. So you could get like the Easter code. Like it's Easter. Well, I'm shooting this video right now, but moms, they can sign up for these packages and everything is going digital. So what I would do, right? I would head over Canva and whatever style or season it is, let me type in kids, see if I can find, boom, there you go, right? So something fun like this or like this. And I like it bold, right? You can remove watermark if you want to do that. That's like, that one ain't free. But you could find the free ones, like this one. This is a free one. And this is a birthday. We don't need a birthday stuff, right? We don't need all this. So I would just delete this. You delete all this stuff. Delete everything that's here. Delete that. I'll delete that too. Nothing wrong with the kid on there. You know, all these things are royalty free. I would say, let me look at this, find some really add copy. All right, Good Friday, veteran reading reveals proven formula that enables a parent to set foundation for their kids, right? All right, so struggling, because you gotta be, especially when it comes to parents, you make sure like they're so sensitive. You gotta know what to write, man. You gotta know exactly what to write. Can't make sure you tick anybody off, because it will eat you alive. I know that for sure. So you could put digital reading for kids. You could do that. Or no, let me make that. Okay, let's say help your kids with reading. Okay. Want to help your kid with reading? Yeah, more so like that. All right. Want to help. And you all can change this up. Even though I'm just, I'm honestly just doing this right now off the fly right now. But this is something that when I have my head down, I make sure everything is done. All right. So you could do that. All right. Want to help your kid or child. Want to help your child with reading. If you want to help your child with reading, you go like comment, comment yes down below. All right, you can do that. Change the color. Hope you guys get the idea where we're going here, right? and change the color and all that. Change that to like, let's say red, like that, red, make it red. And then what you could do, you could just download it, right? Download it. Again, most groups will allow you to do posting in them, some of them not. It's That's how they are, right? So go on here, just leave it there, and then we're gonna head on over back to the group. Okay, close this out. All right, stay-at-home mom group, you can come on here. All right, you just drag this right here, and you could just post it, right? So make it cool, make it fun. And for the people that reply in the comments, me or yes or whatever it is, send them a message. Hi, Mary. I saw that you're interested in interested in helping your kid with reading. You know, um, I have something that I could share with you. Would you like to see it? You're asking a question. So back and forth, just have a conversation. I know it's okay. It's kind of, it feels a little timid at first, but consistently doing it over and over again, just keeping talking to people, right? And that's what you got to do. And you just do it consistently over and over again. And then you're just going to grab your affiliate link right here, right? Grab your affiliate link. Once you grab your affiliate link, you can start to promote. Likewise down here. So you can look and see which one of these that you would love to promote, which one is going to be good for you. It's all about education. It's all about the families helping kids, because there's a lot of parents right now, they're looking for something for their kid to do and they just can't find anything. I know some of them want to pull their hair out because, normally they will send the kids to school and everything, but now they're home, they got to entertain the kids as much as possible. So they don't mind buying online trainings for them, videos and stuff. So that's a good way to really help, help the kids and everything. So you guys really enjoy that video. Again, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments what you think. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. The name is Andre. Check out my #1 recommendation in the description. I'll catch you. Peace.